Dear students, this is graphical analysis of polynomial. It is lecture number 4. So I have selected the cubic polynomial, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and then the zeros wise expression is this one, and factorization is this one. Alpha, beta, gammas are zeros, and here it is a can't be zero, then it is cubic, and a b c d are real number. So see the first case when alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma. Okay, it means all the three zeros are same. When it is possible, x minus alpha, x minus beta, and x minus gamma, all are the different factors. Then you will get the different alpha, beta, gamma. Now there will be two possibilities. If you put the value less than alpha, it is negative, then it is from downward, going up and coming down, and this one is here. 3 point of intersection to x-axis, see, 1, 2, 3. Very clear? So there will be 3 maximum possible zeros of the cubic polynomial alpha, beta, gamma. Okay? If you will put the value between alpha and beta, it is positive, then it is upward, no problem. If it is negative, the value of x between alpha and beta, it is negative, then it will come this way. So both are possible for the distinct zeros. Okay, so this is one possibility. I am not going to into the cases when it is possible. It is depend upon the value of px. Okay, if suppose I am putting the value here, it is 1, 1, 2, 3, suppose I have taken alpha is 1, 2. If you put here 0, and if you get the negative, polynomial sign is negative, if you put 0, then it is from downward. If you put x is equal to 0, the polynomial is positive from upward. 0 will not change. So upward, then it will be here positive, it is negative, it is positive, it is negative, alters. Here it is negative, it is positive, it is negative, it is positive. So both cases can be possible in this case when alpha, beta and gamma are not equal. Now come to this point. See, I have selected one here. X square plus 2x plus 1. This is the cubic polynomial. And what you get? If you factorize x square plus 2x plus 1, then see this quadratic polynomial is perfect square. That means beta and gamma are only minus 1 and alpha is equal to 0. So if you put alpha is equal to 0, then there are two ways. See this one. It is just touching. Touching means it is solution of the two equal zeros. It touch at minus 1, then it is alpha, beta are minus 1. Both are same. And then after this interval, it is coming down and going up, then it is another 0. So in place of the 3 zeros, we get the 2 zeros, minus 1 and 1. But here this minus 1 or 2 zeros are same, being this is perfect square. This is the case. And now if you put less than it is 0 and these polynomials have the sign negative, then the positive, then it is coming from upward and touch here and going back, so it is plus. For this one it is 0, then it is plus, is it? This one is plus and then it is here. It will touch and reflect this one. It is touching, not crossing here. Touching means the solution alpha is equal to beta. Here I have written beta, gamma are equal. You can write this one, gamma is no problem, and it is your alpha, beta. It is okay. Now alpha betas are same. Then this curve and this curve both are possible, depend upon the values of the uh, polynomial of x in the respective domain. Suppose it is less than one value and it is coming positive, then coming upward, touch and going up and then down. If less than 1, suppose we are putting 0, it is negative, then from this one touching this point and then loop and then going up. So if one, it is cubic polynomial is factorized into linear and quadratic. If quadratic is perfect square, this case, both the cases are possible. Clear? Very clear? Now see, if this case is possible, this case also may be possible. Here I have done this one, see here, it is coming this one and touching like this way. Reverse of this one. Alpha betas are here touching here. This is the same. So cases are same, only here this gamma, the different is in the left side of equality and this is right side inequality. And there is no any basic difference. So this case, both cases are possible. Now see, if y is equal to x cube, that is cubic only, b, c, d are 0, a is non-zero, a is 1, then there will be the only 1 0, that is x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So there will be 0 0 is only one point at which it cross the x-axis. And now if you put negative, then it will be negative, positive, then negative, positive, then positive. So graph's nature will be this one. Suppose here, if I put minus 1 whole cube, this is minus 1. So if you put here minus 1, it will get y is minus 1. No problem, this point is there. Minus 1, 1. If you put minus 2 whole cube, then it is minus 8 whole cube, then it is downward here and going sharply this way, not going this way. Is it okay? If the variation in y is more than variation of in x, so that is why coming down this way and it is going come along the y-axis. Is it okay? So this is the graph of y is equal to x cube. Similarly, y is equal to negative of x cube. Just reflect this one here and this one here. You will get here. See, it is happening. And this one. Verify this one. Suppose I am putting here 1. 1. Then it is minus 1. It is okay, no problem. If it is 2, then it is minus 8, then going down. And it is symmetric about this y-axis, going towards y-axis. So this is okay. See. So this is the graphical explanation of the cubic polynomial. All three cases are possible. Three different zeros, two are equal, one is different. It may be reverse of this one also. Now see, here will be only 1 0 because it is perfect cube only. If any perfect cube is there, suppose I am taking it is x minus 1 whole cube, then only 1 will be the 0 and the cubic polynomial will be x cube minus this one is minus of 3x and this one is plus of 3x square plus of 3x and it is minus 1. See, this is cubic polynomial and the zeros is only 1. 1 is the 0. So cubic polynomial having 1 0. And if you want to draw y is equal to polynomial of x is equal to this one, then shift this one. Shift this one. It is your x is equal to 1 at 0. If you put 1, then it is 0. Then shift this one here. Suppose I am shifting here. It is 1. And now this symmetric about this one. Like this. Same way going on. Okay, parallel to this one. So this is the graph of here. Same, only 3 units shifted right side, 1 unit shifted right side. Okay, if this will be -1, then shifted this way. Suppose I will select this is x plus 1 whole cube, then x is equal to -1, then here will be 0 and this will be shifted like this way. See, okay, just like this. See, so many possibilities are there. Here also will be the same. Okay, so this is the graphical explanation of cubic polynomial. Thank you.